First, Jose Ramirez. I know you're in custody. Are you present? Amy Quinones. Christopher Torres. I need to hear any names. All right. Fernando Adrian Angel Medina.
Christopher Torres, I'm here.
Thank you, Mr. Torres. So again, Fernando Adrian Angel Medina. Joe Anthony Perez. Roel Aiden Lopez.
Judge, I'm present for him. I just texted him because I didn't see him on, and he said he is logging in right now. He's having some phone troubles. I'm sure he'll be here in just a second.
Is this Mr. Pate?
Yes, Judge.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Okay, we'll wait for him.
Thank you, Judge.
Roseanne Flores Valenzuela. Oh, there she is. She's raising her hand. I see you. Thank you. Andrew Omar Ramos.
Andrew Ramos.
Andrew Omar Ramos.
Andrew Ramos.
Thank you, sir. John Ray Perez. John Ray Perez. All right. Noe Rodriguez.
Noe Rodriguez.
Thank you, sir. Manuel Reynold Rose. Manuel Reynold Rose. Jeffrey Gordon, I know you're present. I see you on my screen. Thank you, sir. Richard Anthony Espinoza.
Present, ma'am. Good morning.
Judge, he's here with counsel, and Mr. Lopez, who we were waiting on earlier, has logged on now.
Thank you very much.
I'm here, Jan.
Gotcha. Thank you. Laroya Jenny Smith.
Here, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. Isaiah Diaz.
Present, Judge.
Isaiah, you're here?
Present. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Mariana Wyland Enrique.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for her, and I see her on the screen. She's present. This is David
Thank you,
Cuellar.
Cuellar.
Okay.
Trinity Galavis.
I'm here.
Thank you, ma'am. Elijah Santallan. Elijah Ezekiel Santallan. Mr. Ryan Arnett, are you present? Michael Lassiter, I see you on the screen, sir. Okay,
Present.
gotcha. I've got you. Thank you. Mario Garza. Mario Alberto Garza. Ms. Smith, are you present? Armando Perez.
Here.
Thank you. Kevin Van Allen. I see you. You're present, sir, on the screen. Thank you very much. Okay, did anybody not hear their name called that thinks it should have been called? Please say it, unmute and say your name.
John Ray Perez.
One at a time. John, what now?
John Ray Perez. I'm
I
here. My
got you.
phone was off.
Okay, thank you. I've got you down now. Anyone else?
Roel Lopez.
Roel Lopez.
Judge, that was my client who had said he was late.
Oh, thank you. Got it. Anyone else?
Amy Quinones.
Okay, Amy, we called you early, so thank you.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay. You're good. I got you down. Anyone else?
Hello, yes, I just joined in. My name is Fernando Medina.
I got you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll mark you present. Anyone else? I'm gonna go back real quick over the ones that didn't answer, see if they arrived. Jose Ramirez. Joe Perez. Manuel Rose. Elijah Santellan. Alberto Garza. All right, thank you all for answering. Now we'll just wait for your attorneys.
Ms. Keonis,
Yes.
how can I
Sorry.
help? You have your hand raised?
Ah, sorry, my phone is messing up right now. Sorry.
Okay, no worries.
It was an accident.
Okay, not a problem.
Hello, Judge. I'm sorry, I wasn't able to get into my Zoom or hear anything. I don't know when they called me. I'm Mario Garza.
Let me look,
Can you hear
sir.
me?
I
Ma'am?
can hear
I'm
you. Can
sorry.
you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear
There
you
you
now.
go. I'll mark you present, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So
Thank
do I just
you.
wait here?
Yeah,
I
we're
just
just
wait
waiting
here?
for, we're waiting for your lawyers to come in, okay?
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Booker, I am back from conferring when you or the judge is ready.
Yes, sir.
So I have two cases. I had number 6 on your docket. That's Mr. Roel Lopez.
Let me, 1 second.
Yes, Judge.
Let me shut this there. There we go. Okay.
Judge, I have number 6 on your docket. Excuse me. There is a concern that there might be some more co-band videos than what we have found so far. The state has a note that they need to investigate those. And so we would ask for another reset before we set it on the trial docket, because nobody likes it when we come to trial and we say, hey, we just found new videos last week. Can we please have a reset?
That's right. And you've
and then
requested discovery already.
We have, Judge, and we've gotten a lot of videos. It becomes more difficult now that everybody has 3 or 4 videos, every officer. I don't know that there actually are more co-band videos, but if they are, I certainly need to review them before we can be ready for trial.
All right, I'll give you one more reset, and but Booker will give you the date.
Excellent. And then Judge number 13, Mr. Richard Espinosa. For whatever reason, this was randomly set on Martin Luther King Day, and so we were reset to today because we did not have court on Martin Luther King Day. They have made an offer. I need to discuss it with my client, but part of the offer, if my client wants to accept, is to get some things done before he's allowed to take the plea. And so we would ask for a reset to talk about the plea and to possibly get those things done. It might take a little while to get these, so if we could get a 6-week reset instead of just a 3-week reset, that would probably be best.
And this is your second hearing only, right?
I believe that's, I think this is actually like our first time coming to court. I think there was one time it was set and I had a trial in municipal court, and so it was reset. And then there was another time it was set on Martin Luther King Day. So I think this is the first time I've ever talked to the prosecutors on it, but it is not like the only time it's ever been set, if
Okay.
that makes sense, Judge.
Okay, Booker, what dates do you want to give him on Lopez and Espinosa?
Just for Mr. Lopez, we're gonna go with March 9th.
Excellent. Give me 1 second. March 9. Done.
And then for Mr. Espinosa, we're gonna reset that one to March 23rd. Mr. Pate, just let me know. We don't like to schedule out too long, especially when they have to do classes, so that way we can make sure that they stay on top of what they need to do. So when it comes close to March 23rd, if he hasn't completed his classes or still needs a little bit more time, just let me know ahead of time, and I can push it back out a couple more weeks. But we like to keep the pressure on the defendants so they don't get relaxed and don't do what they need to do.
I think March 23rd is about the perfect amount of time away to get it done without it being so long that we forget. So
Sounds good.
if there's a
Thank you,
possibility you
Mr.
could
Pace.
put me in a breakout room with Mr. Lopez and Mr. Espinosa, I would really appreciate it.
You want both at the same time or 2 different times?
No, both of them at the same time is great.
Okay, if you go back to number 2, I'll put both your clients in with you.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Not a problem.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Y'all have a great day.
You
You
too.
too.
Good morning. I just got back from breakout room. May I approach?
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Is this Mario Moreno?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're on number 19, Mr.
Yes, ma'am. I
Lassiter.
have number 15 and 19.
Oh, let's start with 19.
Yes, ma'am. Number 19, Michael Lassiter. I spoke with the state. He's informed me that they have not yet filed an information on this case yet. I don't know if it's either case or just the DWI, but he said informations were not filed, but they were intending on filing that today. In the meantime, I am working with my client for potential of some witness statements of some potential witnesses that may be important to his defense as well. And also some legal research as to potential resolutions for Mr. Lassiter's cases.
Okay.
So we are requesting a reset for Mr. Lassiter.
Okay, Booker, what date do you want to give?
March 7th.
So you'll both need to be present on March 7th. I'm unsure if it'll be by Zoom or in person, but you will know.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Booker will let y'all know. So March 7th is reset and y'all are free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
Well, no, not yet. I need your other case.
Oh, yes.
Who's your other case?
Number 15 is Diaz.
Give me 1 second.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I found the file. Yes, sir, Mr. Moreno.
For his case, information on this case is also not yet filed. The state is still waiting on tox reports for him.
Waiting on what? I'm sorry.
Toxicology reports.
Toxicology reports. All right. Same date, Booker,
Yes,
3/7?
Yes,
All right.
yes, sir.
So we'll set you both on this, both your clients on the same day for you, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, I appreciate it.
Thank you, and y'all are free to go.
Thank you very much. You have a good day.
You too.
Excuse me. Excuse me, Judge, pardon me. I'm Isaiah Diaz. I'm with Mr. Mario Moreno. What was the date again?
Yes. Oh, it's okay. 3/7, March 7th.
Thank you, man. Okay, thank you so much. I'm sorry.
Thank
Have a
you.
blessed day.
Bye, you too. I see Mr. Cuellar and Mr. Miller.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Judge, this
Yes,
is
Mr. Miller.
Tony Miller. I had an opportunity to confer with the state. Mr. Rodriguez on your docket has 2 felonies pending out of the 290th District Court. They're
Okay.
still pre-indictment. They have not been indicted yet. But after conferring with the state today, they would like me to confer with the prosecutors out of the 290 to see, what their position is going to be regarding your misdemeanor cases.
Okay. It's not, is it out of the same incident?
I believe it is, Judge. I believe it's all arising out of the same incident. So I think the offer will be that somehow they'll TIC the misdemeanor cases.
Okay. Are you the attorney on the 290th?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
You are. Okay. We'll give you some time to figure that out. Booker, when do you want to do his case?
Just, we're gonna set it for the end of March, for March 27th.
I'll make a note of that, Judge, on my calendar so that I will have that date. Would it be okay to be excused, Your Honor, and can
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Rodriguez also be excused?
You and your client are excused. Yes.
Thank you very much, Judge. It's great seeing you, Judge.
You too. Good to see you.
You take care, Your Honor.
Okay. You too. Mr. Cuellar, are you ready to talk to me?
I'm ready to announce, Your Honor.
Okay. This is on Enrique Wyland.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
She has, I'm sorry, she has also an unindicted felony, and the state suggested that we wait till that's indicted, although in the meanwhile I'm not on that case, but in the meanwhile I can fire from the district court.
Okay. Let's see. Give me 1 second. So it looks like it's only your second setting from the file. So on Booker, can we give him another setting, please?
Yes, Judge, March 27th.
Okay, Mr. Cuellar, March 27th.
Yeah.
So you and your client may be excused.
Thank you, Judge. It's nice seeing
Thank
you,
you.
Judge.
You too. See you later. Hello, Fernando.
Hey, Judge, how are you?
I'm good. Your client, let's call your client's name again. He had not arrived.
No, is Ramita Spanish only? He's in jail,
Oh, I see him now. Okay.
and we're waiting on a Padilla letter only because the judge required it. But we're ready. We're ready to do the plea. I just need to get the lawyer, his immigration lawyer, to send me that Padilla letter. His family went to go see him yesterday and they were supposed to get it to me this morning.
Okay. If the judge required it, I need to follow her.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, I'm just waiting for it to come in my email.
Okay.
From the-
How do you want to do this, Booker? Reset it and then he can call you back when he gets the letter and move it up?
Fernando, you think you'll have it in the next couple,
I can sit by, just wait for my email. I could work on some other stuff.
okay, so is the other attorney or the family supposed to be sending it over to you?
The other attorney is. I already spoke with the secretary, and she says she's getting a hold of him so he can send it to her, so she can email it to me.
Okay, just stand by. We still have a few more people on the docket, so we'll see if they can get over to you before the end of docket.
Okay, all right, appreciate it.
No problem.
Okay.
And then in the meantime, I'll get a chapter lined up in anticipation of him taking a plea today.
You get all the what? Oh, I already have all the paperwork.
No, I'll get an interpreter ready for him.
Oh, interpreter, got it. Okay.
Alrighty.
All right, thanks. Can you put me in a room with him, because I need to tell him to.
Yeah, we'll do.
Thanks.
Ms. Smith, I'll be right with you. Let me get all your files pulled.
Thank you. But I was just gonna reset some stuff, Booker.
Yes, the judge is gonna pull the files. She likes to look at the files before the
Oh.
recess.
Okay, okay.
All right, now I've got all your files. Who do you want to start with?
Could we please start with Mario Garza?
Garza?
Yes.
Sure.
Could
Is he
I?
He's present, yes. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Yes, he's present. I would like to reset him because the district attorneys would like to contact the complaining witness before they give him an offer.
Okay. Booker?
Those would be reset to March 21st.
Okay, Ms. Smith, next.
Thank you. For Fernando Medina, there is a pending felony, and I think it would behoove him to wait to get this charge wrapped up in that felony, so we would like to reset this.
I have a problem. My only problem is that we're on the 10th, we're on the 10th hearing.
I said that to the district attorneys, but they were not able to do anything for him.
Hello, this is Fernando Medina, and I was wondering what could be like the next steps of this process, because I thought this court date was for a traffic violation, and I'm just trying to understand what would be going on if I like should hire an attorney
Mr. Medina,
for
this
my
is
felony.
not, Mr. Medina, it's not a traffic, I mean, I know it's a reckless driving case, but that's not a traffic violation. This is actually a misdemeanor, and that's why you're in county court. I can't give you any other advice. You just need to listen to your attorney.
Okay.
And I don't know, let me ask.
Could
Mr.
I,
Booker, I'm gonna see if he'll give you a reset. I'm not sure.
Okay, that sounds fine.
Mr. Booker?
Judge, he currently has an active warrant. He hasn't been magistrated on his felony yet. His case in our court is still good. He's still on bond. Now because he has a warrant on the felony case, there is no court date that will be set on the felony case just yet. So the only thing I can do is give you a reset, but I guarantee you, the longer that he goes without making bond on that case, the longer it's going to take for him to get these cases resolved.
So Ms. Smith, you might need to talk to your client about making bond on that felony.
yes,
Because if he gets stopped at a traffic light, he's going to jail.
could I talk to him after, could you put us in a breakout room after you reset this?
Yes, we could. Let me talk to you about your other two cases. And Mr. Medina, you just hang tight, okay?
Okay, yes, that sounds
Okay,
fine.
because what I'm going to do is ask her about her other two cases, and then we're going to put you in a private room to talk with your attorney.
Okay, that sounds fine.
Okay, what date, Mr. Booker?
March 24th.
And the other two cases, I would like to talk to those clients as well in breakout rooms.
Okay.
Ask for a reset.
Well, let's have you start with Mr. Medina,
Okay,
and then we'll come back, and then we'll put in Mr. Perez, then we'll put in Mr. Galaviz, Ms. Galaviz.
okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Mr. Watkins.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you doing, Judge Sherritt?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well, ma'am. Thank you.
Have you been able to confer?
Yes, Your Honor. And I would like, Judge, I'm going to ask for a recall. I don't even want to reset. I just want it to come back in 2 weeks if possible. The district attorney informed me what the restitution exact amount is on one case. They reached their complainant. They're still trying to reach their complainant in the other case, and they've tried, Judge, for some months now, but I'm okay with the 2-week recall, and they've informed me that they dismissed the other case if they don't hear from that CW.
Okay. We'll give you a reset, not a recall, but 2 weeks, Mr. Or whatever you think, Mr. Booker.
February 9th.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, and you and your client are free to go.
Judge, you have a wonderful weekend. I hope you get to enjoy the sunshine.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I don't remember Miss Smith being my attorney. Is she I don't know where my attorney is, and he hasn't been answering my calls or anything.
We have your attorney as Miss Smith.
Really? It's changed 3 times now.
So Ms. Trinity, your attorneys, they work for the public defender's office. So at any moment, at any time, it's like if you will, it's like a major law firm. So any attorney that is assigned to the public defender's office can take on your case as the previous attorney moves up and gets a different position. So as of right now, I know you previously had Daniel Martinez. He moved on to a different court. So Ms. Smith is the one that's representing you now.
Oh, okay. Dang, he could let me know or something. Like, I've been calling him and he just doesn't answer, but thank you.
No problem. Your attorney will be with you shortly to talk to you and get some, and you can get to know her and discuss information with her.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Lindbergh, how can we help you?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Mr. Jeffrey Gordon. His cause number is 690-736.
Are you here for Brandon Lopez?
Is Brandon Lopez the attorney of record for Mr. Gordon?
That's what I have. Well, Booker will check for us, okay?
Yeah, that may have been the.
Are you taking over? Because I still have Brandon Lopez and co-counsel Monica. Yes.
Brandon Lopez, yeah, Monica Corolla is with our firm. Brandon Lopez may have been at the magistrate level. But I mean, yes, I mean, we are his attorneys. I don't know why it would be labeled with Mr. Lopez though.
So
we can make
he's
sure
no
we
longer on the
fix that.
case?
I'm sorry?
He's no longer on the case? Brandon?
That's right. Yeah, we can make sure we send a motion to sub and make sure everything's cleared up there.
Okay, but I do show Monica on the case as well, so if
That's
you
fine.
confirmed, then that's fine.
Okay, thank you, Booker.
All right, Mr. Gordon, have you conferred with the state?
Yes, we were able to confer with the state, and they gave an offer of pretrial diversion. So we will bring that to Mr. Gordon. If you would like to go through with that, we will send in the application.
All right, how do we do that, Mr. Booker? We reset it for a quick reset?
Judge, we will, I will give it a 3-week reset for defense and defendant to talk and see if he wants to follow through with the program. And then we will determine a reset after that. Normally, I know they are taking a little bit of time to accept the pretrial diversions. So, Mr. Gordon, when your attorney talks to you about the pretrial diversion, as soon as you make up your mind what you want to do, please let your attorney know so that way we can move forward with this, because it looks like it's taking about 30 to 60 days for acceptance. So if you want to get your case over and done with, sir, you need to be proactive and notifying your attorney what you want to do in this matter, okay?
Yeah, we'll make sure we get the paperwork in ASAP, and Mr. Gordon first will get with you.
All right, sounds good. Judge will reset it to February 17th.
All right. And if Mr. Lindbergh, where did you already leave? Oh, there you are. If you get it done beforehand. Just let Booker know, okay?
Yes, Judge. I appreciate your time. That was all I had. May we be excused?
Okay, you and Mr. Gordon may be excused.
Thank you, Judge. And Mr. Gordon, I'll give you a call. Thank you, Booker.
Mr. Statesson, you're here on Joe Anthony Pettis.
I believe it was Victoria Ramirez Martinez. What's the cause number for Joel Anthony Pettis?
664-082.
Let me check on that. Do you show a Victoria Ramirez Martinez set on docket today?
I do not. I do not, Mr. Statesman.
All right, let me go back in the breakout room and confer.
Okay, thank you. That was quick, Mr. Statesman.
Judge, I recognize the name.
Okay.
Over a year or so ago, mental health court client that I applied him to mental health court, but I'm not his attorney any further. I didn't get a notice of any other appointments.
Okay.
From my understanding, he was in the mental health court program.
1 second, we'll let Mr. Booker check.
All right, can I give you a cause number to see? I believe I had the Victoria Martinez.
Okay, what's your cause number?
679-339. There's one other case, 699-377.
Did you find either of those cases?
Yes, Judge, I have those cases set for 1:30. Well, it looks like the newest of the two cases is set for 1:30.
Okay. I will come back there. And Booker, regarding
That's
Joe,
in person.
That's in person?
No, that one will still be on Zoom.
Oh, it will? Okay.
Yes. And then so for Joe Anthony Pettis, you are not his attorney anymore?
Right. I didn't get notice of any appointment. I thought he was in the mental health program, the court, and he's been there for 6 months or 8 months, I thought.
Mr. Pettis, is he on?
He never announced today.
Okay. I will,
We're gonna have to issue a warrant.
I will follow with the mental health court team to see if he is actually still a current participant. If not, then we'll have to issue a warrant for him. But
I'll do, as a courtesy, I'll check my contacts. I will tell him to appear today, but I don't represent him.
okay, I'll double check my my mental health docket for this evening to see if he's on there. And go from there.
Okay, I don't have anyone else set today, do I, Booker?
No.
No.
Okay, very good. All right, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, Ms. Smith, talk to me about Armando Perez.
Is
Is that your client?
Yes, but I would like to please talk with him in a breakout room.
Okay, we'll put you in there.
Thank you.
Which client now?
Armando
Armando.
Perez
Got him.
or Trinity Galaviz.
Trinity is here, so we could do her.
Either one I'd like to do a breakout room with.
All right, Mr. Medina was here prior. I don't know where he went.
Oh, we reset him.
Already? Okay.
Yes.
Tucker, when did we reset Armando Perez? I mean, no, I know we reset Fernando. Hold on, I'm confused. Sorry, quiet.
We haven't reset Armando Pettis yet. She went to talk to him first.
That's right. Okay. Gotcha.
Sir, under Samsung SM, what is your name, sir?
Armando Perez.
Okay. Now I got you. Thank you, sir. Your attorney will talk with you shortly.
Okay, thanks.
Hello, Mr. Harkowitz. How are you?
Fine. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. You're here on Kevin Van Allen?
That is correct, Your Honor. I've conferred with Ms. Mitchell and probation on the obstruction MTR. Probation is recommending a referral to DWI court, so I need to talk to Booker about getting that referral done. He's got a new DWI, which has not been filed yet.
Okay. He is in custody, so we don't want to draw it out. So Booker, what do you want to do on this one?
Judge, I will send him over the referral to DWI court. Let's see, it looks like he has, he hasn't made bond on the MTR, which is set at 2,000, but he did make bond on a new case. So it's up to him if he wants to, sir, if your client wants to make bond. Looks like he was. No, he made bond on that one. On the MTR, he has 26 days credit. So That will go to whatever, if he gets accepted into drug court, I mean DWI court, or if you guys work out something else. But he does have a $2,000 bond set, so it'll be up to him if he wants to postpone. And then I just sent you over the attorney permission form for him to be interviewed for drug court, DWI court. Once again, Judge Huff always says it's just interview. He doesn't have to accept the deal if he doesn't. If he doesn't, then his case remain here in County Court 12. If he does, then the case will be transferred to County Court 2 under Judge Stowe. But for right now, to get everything taken care of and him to get that initial interview, I will reset this court date to March 6th.
March the 6th?
That's correct.
Okay. Judge Stowe, that's County Court 1, isn't it?
That's correct.
Okay, you said 2.
And that since your client is in jail, this will be a Zoom docket for you guys. So you don't have to worry about trying to come in person. It'll be on Zoom.
Okay. Could I be put in a breakout room with him to more explain what's going on?
Yes. Once you finish with your client, you can let him know that he can tell the detention officer that we're done with him for court today, and he can be removed.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Kimbrough, who are you here for, sir?
I am the CLO for the unit, Judge.
Oh, okay.
I'm with probation.
I can tell you are official. There you are.
Hey, Booker,
Yes.
could I get a couple of resets, please?
Is this Mr. Arnett?
Hello, Judge. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Doing
Let me
all
find
right.
your cases real quick, okay?
Okay.
Talk. All right. Who do you want to start with, sir?
Miss Amy Quinones.
All right. She's got two cases. One is very old, it looks like. She had a failure to appear last time. And the other one, same thing. So what's going on with this Quinones?
There are 2 unindicted felonies that are awaiting indictment. So we just need to get a reset for those, as the district attorney is not going to move forward.
Well, this isn't my court, so if Mr. Booker wants to give you a reset, he can.
Ryan, our option right now is just to put these on a trial docket. Because they are both
Okay.
have several resets and have been pending since 2020. Her felonies have been pending since 2022. So in order to get some type of movement, because the incident dates are both different, so the prosecutors need to talk to the felony ADAs and figure out what they want to do. But I will put these on the trial docket for it'll be Tuesday, February 21st, in person in County Court 12.
And there was a DA
Wouldn't that still
online.
be-
Hey,
and
Caleb Porter, the DA, is online, Mr. Arnett. So they're hearing that this is set for a trial. So that would be in person.
that'd be our 9 a.m. or 1 docket, Booker.
That'll be the 9 a.m. docket.
Okay.
And then it's just shoot me an email and amend offer so that we at least have a plea to consider for this one.
I couldn't understand that. Could you, Booker?
I barely understood what you're saying.
Okay. You're on Elijah Santillan. Maybe if you turn your picture off, your voice will, we can get your voice through stronger. Mr. Arnett.
All right. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, let's try it. Did he sign off totally?
I think he dropped off. He probably hit the wrong button.
Okay, he'll come back.
I'm sorry,
Ms.
so
Quinones,
far,
you're free to go.
it was February 21st trial at what time?
9 a.m.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Can you hear me now?
Very well, we can.
There we go. Okay. For Mr. Santillan, he's being referred to mental health court. I already talked to the court staff yesterday about getting him a new court date.
Okay.
That's correct, Judge. And that one was reset to February 23rd, pending the mental health court referral.
February 23rd. Got it. Thank you.
And then for Miss Smith, my last client, her case is actually going to be dismissed.
Oh, yes. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. And Ms. Smith, if you have any questions about your dismissal, please feel free to give me a call. Ms. Quinones, I'm going to give you a call in about 20 minutes to discuss what's going on with your cases, okay?
Thank you, Ryan.
Of
Thank you,
course.
Judge. I have a great one. Am I free to go?
Good.
Yes,
Yes, you are.
you both should be free to log off.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Judge and Booker. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Okay, Ms. Smith, you need to go talk to one more client?
Yes, but in the meantime, could I please reset Trinity Galaviz?
Of course. Tell me what's going on. You're just got the case, is that correct?
Yes, she would like to consider the plea offer that was given to her, or it's a conditional dismissal offer, but we need to consider it a little bit.
Understand. Okay, Mr. Booker.
All right, Ms. Galaviz, taking consideration the offer that your attorney has expressed to you, please make a conscious and decision about what you want to do with your case. If you want this case over and done with in a timely manner, you need to let your attorney know as soon as possible after you have thought everything over. So that way you can move forward with taking the classes and getting everything done that you need to do. So that way you can no longer have this pending over your head. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. But in the meantime, I will reset the case to March 22nd. And that should be enough, possibly enough time that if you do consider the offer that your attorney has expressed to you, you can be able to get classes done and to have that case dismissed before your next court date. Ms. Smith, now, if your client does accept the offer and she needs more time, please let me know before the March 22nd, and I can possibly give her another 2 weeks to finish classes if need be.
Okay, thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're free to go, Ms. Galvez.
Okay, thank you.
And may I speak with Mr. Perez? in the
Yes, Armando Perez.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, Ms. Smith?
Yes, we would like to reset Armando Perez for a plea agreement. He would like to do the plea offer that was given to him. So we just need time to sign the paperwork.
Neil, do you want to recall this for tomorrow?
Okay, what date you?
Sure.
Mr. Pettis,
Sounds good to me.
Yes.
do you have a work conflict or anything to recall your case for tomorrow for a plea?
No, sir.
Okay, Neil, just send me over your client's email address and I'll send out the plea paperwork and we'll recall this for tomorrow morning.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you, Armando.
Thanks.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
All right.
I'm gonna log off now.
Okay, you're free to go. Thank you,
Okay,
Ms.
thank
Smith.
you so much. Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Booker.
You're welcome.
Hey, Booker. All right, I just talked to the immigration attorney. He's gonna get the letter drafted within about an hour and email it to me. Do you want to recall it for tomorrow, or will y'all be on Zoom for another hour or so? Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Can you
hold
hear
on.
me?
I'm sorry, I had the volume all the way down. Go ahead.
No worries. Yeah, we'll be here.
Okay.
I'm calling two other attorneys for their jail clients, so I'm waiting for them to appear. But if anything, I can always put on a docket for tomorrow. But let's see if we can try to get it done today.
Okay, wonderful. Now, he might need an interpreter.
Yes.
So, not might, he will need an interpreter for the plea.
Okay, that's not a problem.
Okay. All right. I'll stay on.
Alrighty.
Mr. Van Allen, you're free to go, sir. You're on mute. Can't hear you.
There was something I wanted to confer with my lawyer. Is it too late?
Let me see if he's to his attorney. He's not here anymore. You're still on mute.
There's
There you
not
go.
something that I could just pass on to you, is there?
No, I'm not allowed to talk to you about it because it personal, like a phone, like
I understand.
if it's about your case, I don't want you to talk about that.
Okay, very good. Thank you so
Mr.
much, Your Honor, and have a good day.
Mr. Van Allen? Sir,
Oh, wait, Mr. Van Allen.
Yes,
What I
Mr.
would-
Booker.
what I would do is I will email your attorney, let him know that you have some concerns that you want to talk to him about. So that way he can schedule a jail visit with you and talk to you that way. So I'll go ahead and email him, let him know that. No problem. Fernando?
Yeah,
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end docket early today, so that way Judge can get ready for the mental health PTD docket later on. So I'm gonna recall your guy for tomorrow, and we should have everything we can move forward with it by.
yeah. Yeah, I think that's probably best.
Okay, sounds
All right.
good.
Thanks. Bye.
No problem. Roseanne, Venezuela.
Can you unmute your computer?
Yes.
Ma'am, I called your attorney. His line just rang. I sent him a text message, email. He hasn't responded back. So you can notify the detention officer that you're free to go back. I will get a hold of him before I put you back on my docket to see what's going on with your cases.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. Mr. Ramos, your attorney emailed me notifying me that he is unavailable. He left his phone at home and he was using his son's, but he's not able to make it onto today's docket. I'm gonna recall your case at a later date, so you can notify the detention officer that you're free to go back as well.
Do you know how long that would be?
I'm gonna try to get you back on my docket within the next week.
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. Mr. Pettis,
Is it John Pettis?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Your attorney emailed us. She is actually tied up in a felony court right now, and she'll not be able to make docket for your case today. So I'm going to give you a short reset to next week, to February 3rd, which is next Friday, and it'll still be on Zoom. And then she will appear for you at that time.
All right, thank you.
Not a problem. You're free to go, sir.
Thank you.
What was that date, Booker?
February 3rd.
Thank you.